Hi, another component of on-page SEO checklist is get to the point fast. Whatever you have written, make sure that you fulfill your promise and get to the point as fast as possible. You can use AIDA model to get more attention, less bounce rate, and more CTR. AIDA is attention, interest, desire, and action. In order to start, you write an introduction graphics in which you should mention something that grabs the attention of the audience. Then you write something that is the interest of your audience. Then you write their desire, that what they want to get, and then you get their action. For example, you can ask them to read the complete post or subscribe to your channel or subscribe to your newsletter. So this is the best practice you can do on your website blog post, and you have to follow this model for better conversion.